Hey guys, it's Aman
and Christina
from Our Rich Journey. We are taking you guys back into our high dividend stock portfolio. This is in fact a series that we started in December of 2018 where we showed you how regular investors buy and sell stocks. Back in December, we invested $10,000 into 10 different stocks, and every month after that, we invested another $833 into these stocks.
But this series isn't just about our stock portfolio or the growth of our stock portfolio. At the beginning of every video, we also go over important investment questions. And we do this by looking at the comments that you guys make and questions that you have. And then we formulate a question and answer period before each video.
So this series has been a great opportunity for anyone that is interested in investing and learning about investing, because over the past 8 videos that we produced, we have answered questions that have been fundamental all the way to the advanced level type of questions. And so just quickly, we want to recap the videos that we've done thus far.
So for our first video, we did the criteria we used to select the 10 stocks that we invested in. In the second video, we talked about how many individual companies you should invest in and how someone can live off of their portfolio of dividend stocks. In the third video, we talked about the power of market sentiment and investment strategies and goals. The fourth video was all about taxes on dividends. The fifth video was how to pick winning stocks. The sixth video was how to rebalance your stock portfolio. The seventh video was dealing with drops in the market and the emotions of investing in individual stocks. And in our 8th video, we did a review of all the companies that we invested in and how they were performing. And we also talked about whether we were going to sell any of them in the future. So go back and watch the first video if you're interested in investing. We almost treat it like a mini investing course. So start with the first video. Now, for some of you, if you've been following the videos, you know that we haven't done an update since July, and that's because we recently retired. So we're gonna give you an update on our portfolio and talk about how our portfolio has changed now that we've retired.
So like Christina said, we are retired. And if you've been watching our channel, you know that we talk about living off of 4% of our portfolio to support us in early retirement. Well, because we are living here in Lisbon, Portugal, we don't have to pull the entire 4% from all of our portfolios. So in fact, with this portfolio, we are not withdrawing any money. Instead, the dividends that we've been making on this portfolio, we are reinvesting into other stocks.
So one thing to note about this portfolio also is we're reinvesting the dividends somewhere else, which we'll talk about in this video, but we're also not putting more investment money into the portfolio. So we're not investing that $833 a month anymore since we're retired. So we're gonna give you a recap of all of our numbers, everything that we're investing in, what our portfolio looks like right now, and then we're also gonna focus on where we're putting that dividend income and what we're investing it in.
So now that we've given you guys a recap of the concept behind this series, let's give you a recap of our portfolio. To date, we have invested of our own money $15,919. As we mentioned, we've invested all that money into 10 individual stocks. But recently we purchased one more stock in our portfolio, which we're gonna talk about later. So now we hold 11 stocks. The current value of our portfolio is $17,868. So that is really exciting to see our portfolio go from $15,919 up to $17,000 and more. And a lot of this has to do with the dividends that we've been collecting from this. I mean, also stock appreciation, but we've gotten a great deal of money just from dividends.
So let's recap our dividend payouts since our last update, which was in July. So in August, we had a payout of $99.13. In September, it was $103.27. In October, it was $98.70.
Now, I'd love that because that is almost $100 a month that we are collecting in dividends. When we first started this portfolio, we were around $10 to $15, but every month that we've been adding to the portfolio and our portfolio has been growing, these dividends have also been going up. So now we're averaging about $100 a month just in dividends. Now, I just want that to just sink in for a moment, because right now we are not putting any additional money into this portfolio, but it is still growing just off the dividends. And so what we're doing with that extra $100 a month that we're getting in dividends, we're reinvesting into this new ETF that is called VYMI.
So VYMI is the Vanguard International High Dividend Yield ETF. And what it does is it focuses on foreign companies that have stocks that produce high dividends.
So this is a Vanguard ETF that has a dividend that pays 4.43%. The expense ratio is relatively low for this sector of ETFs. It's at 0.32%. So when we start investing in something new, we just don't like to just throw it out there and say, oh, we're investing in it. We always like to give you guys some background information so that you understand why we're investing in it. And maybe you can use that information as food for thought when you go and do your own research.
So one of the big reasons why we decided to invest in this particular ETF is because it gives us more diversification, specifically in the foreign international markets. Now, because we have investments in other areas, we have a lot of larger companies, and that gives us some exposure to the foreign markets also. But this particular ETF is directly focused on foreign market investments, and so it diversifies our portfolio a lot more than what we already have.
And the second reason why we chose this ETF is because it's safer than buying individual stocks. Yes, we have 10 other individual stocks, but we are in retirement now and we want to be a little bit more conservative, but still invest in the stock market. And an index ETF like this is the perfect way to do it. So this particular ETF invests in over 900 international companies, and that type of spread gives you a lot of safety.
So I just want to overstate this point a little bit more. Really what we're doing with this ETF is we are making sure that we're not putting one egg in one basket. This ETF is investing in 900 different companies, which means if one company fails, we have 899 other companies that we can rely on. And the third reason why we invested in this particular ETF is because it is so easy. With ETFs, they just track a particular sector of the market. And with individual stocks, you have to do a lot of research. You have to find the company that you want to invest in, and you have to continuously track that company. With an ETF, it's just so simple. It frees up our time to do other things in early retirement.
And we love that ease and simplicity. If we were to buy another company, that would be another company whose conference calls we'd have to listen to. That would be more annual reports that we would have to read. But with this ETF, it is simple. You're not going to read all 900 companies' quarterly reports. You are going to invest and watch the total market. So now that we've talked about our new ETF, let's go into our portfolio and talk about each individual stock. Let's talk about any changes that we've made, and let's talk about how the stocks are performing.
The first stock is AT&T. Today, AT&T is worth $38.26 per share. We own a total of 55 shares at an average price of $30.21 per share. Our total amount invested is $1,661.55. The current value is $2,104.30, making this a total gain of $442.75 or 26.65%.
26%! AT&T is on fire! The next stock is IBM. Today, IBM is worth $133.20 per share. We own a total of 14 shares at an average price of $126.66 per share. Our total amount invested is $1,773.24. The current value is $1,864.80, making this a total gain of $91.56 or 5.16%.
The next stock is AbbVie. Today, AbbVie is worth $78.51 per share. We own a total of 21 shares at an average price of $82.79 per share. Our total amount invested is $1,738.59. The current value is $1,648.71, making this a total loss of $89.88 or 5.17%.
The next stock is General Motors. Today, GM is worth $36.31 per share. We own a total of 46 shares at an average price of $35.24 per share. Our total amount invested is $1,621.04. The current value is $1,670.26, making this a total gain of $49.22 or 3.04%.
The next stock is Ford. Today, Ford is worth $9.10 per share. We own a total of 186 shares at an average price of $8.78 per share. Our total amount invested is $1,633.08. The current value is $1,692.60, making this a total gain of $59.52 or 3.64%.
The next stock is Iron Mountain. Today, Iron Mountain is worth $33.69 per share. We own a total of 52 shares at an average price of $33.48 per share. The total amount that we have invested is $1,740.96. The current value is $1,751.88, making this a total gain of $10.92 or 0.63%.
The next stock is Medical Properties. Today, Medical Properties is worth $20.22 per share. We now own a total of 93 shares at an average price of $17.32 per share. Our total amount invested is $1,610.76. The current value is $1,880.46, making this a total gain of $269.70 or 16.74%.
The next stock is AG&C. Today, AG&C is worth $16.65 per share. We own a total of 93 shares now at an average price of $17.70 per share. Our total amount invested is $1,646.10. The current value is $1,548.45, making this a total loss of $97.65 or 5.93%.
The next stock is Prospect Capital. Today, Prospect Capital is worth $6.61 per share. We own a total of 245 shares at an average price of $6.67 per share. Our total amount invested is $1,634.15. The current value is $1,619.45, making this a total loss of $14.70 or 0.90%.
The next stock is Main Street Capital. Today, Main Street Capital is worth $42.62 per share. We now own a total of 41 shares at an average price of $37.95 per share. Our total amount invested is $1,555.95. The current value is $1,747.42, making this a total gain of $191.47 or 12.31%.
And finally, we have our newest stock, which is our ETF, Vanguard International High Dividend Yield ETF, which is VYMI. So we purchased a total of 5 shares using reinvested dividends. VYMI is worth $61.48 per share. We purchased 5 shares with an average price paid of $59.21 per share. Our total amount invested is $296.05. The current value is $307.40, making this a total gain of $11.35 or 3.83%. So that is our stock portfolio update. So moving forward, all of our dividends are going to be invested into VYMI. We're not going to be doing any more monthly updates because we're not going to be investing large chunks of money each month. We're just going to be reinvesting those dividends. But we will provide updates when we have major changes to our portfolio.
And so for the time being, our portfolio is just gonna do its work. We set it up to pay dividends and it's gonna pay those dividends. And so these updates will only be done whenever we do something major to the portfolio, like if we rebalance or if we sell a position.
So we won't be providing monthly updates on this particular portfolio, but that doesn't mean that we're not going to be doing investment videos in the future.
Oh yeah, we're always going to do investment videos.
So our channel is all about making money, saving money, and investing money. So if you have ideas or things you want us to explore in future videos, please leave a comment down below. And as usual, if you like this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and join the journey.